Think you know everything about your Android phone? Well, think again. Today, I'm revealing 5 hidden Android tricks that most people have never even heard. The best part? You don't need to install a single app. These are built right into your phone, and once you know them, you'll never look at Android the same way again. Let's dive straight in. First up, the secret magnifier. Ever struggled to read that tiny text on a website or a picture? Forget squinting. Your phone has a hidden magnification gesture that turns your whole screen into a zoomable window. Just go to Settings, then Accessibility, and find Magnification. Once it's on, simply triple tap your screen to zoom in anywhere. It's perfect for reading fine print on contracts, getting a closer look at details in photos, or even checking out a tiny spot on a map. It's like having a digital magnifying glass in your pocket, ready whenever you need it. Next, let's talk about the annoyance of constantly unlocking your phone. Trick number 2 is the hidden smart lock. Unlocking your phone every 5 seconds, especially when you're at home relaxing, is a real drag. But here's the hack. Android has a built-in smart lock feature that keeps your phone unlocked in trusted places like your home or office, or when it detects it on your body. Go to Settings, then Security, and look for Smart Lock. Set up your trusted locations, and you'll save tons of time while still keeping your phone secure when you're out and about. It's the perfect balance of convenience and safety. Trick number 3 is all about boosting your productivity. Quick split-screen multitasking. Why settle for one app at a time when you can easily run 2? It's simpler than you think. Just open your recent apps menu, that little square button, tap the icon of the app you want at the top, and choose split screen. Boom! Instantly, you can watch a YouTube tutorial while taking notes, or chat with a friend while browsing for a restaurant. It's perfect for comparing products, keeping an eye on a live score, or just making your phone work twice as hard for you. Productivity and entertainment, side by side, seamlessly. Are you the designated Wi-Fi password holder in your friend group? Trick number 4, instant Wi-Fi sharing, is for you. Stop painstakingly spelling out long, complicated Wi-Fi passwords. Your Android phone can generate a QR code for your network in seconds. Just go to your Wi-Fi settings, tap on the network you're currently connected to, and hit the share button. A QR code instantly pops up on your screen. Your friend just needs to open their camera, scan the code, and they're connected. It's fast, easy, and completely eliminates the awkwardness of sharing passwords. And finally, for our 5th trick, let's solve a big problem for those with big phones. The hidden one-handed mode. Big screens are great, but sometimes they're impossible to use with just one hand. Don't worry, Android has you covered. Dive into your settings, go to System, then Gestures, and enable one-handed mode. Now, with a simple swipe down on the navigation bar at the bottom of your screen, your entire display shrinks down to a manageable size. Everything is now within easy reach of your thumb. It's like having a mini phone inside your phone, ready for those moments when you only have one hand free. So there you have it, 5 hidden Android tricks that make your phone smarter, faster, and way more fun to use. Which one of these blew your mind the most? Was it the instant Wi-Fi sharing or the secret one-handed mode? Drop your favorite in the comments below. And if you want to discover even more secret tips and tricks to become an Android pro, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and don't forget to ring the bell so you don't miss the next video. Trust me, you'll thank me later. Thanks for watching.